guys, we're back again, and today we're not at anybody's house. We're not doing soccer or anything like that. We're not reacting. We are going
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge. Anyways, guys, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Make sure your notification are
Notified.
and see you when you get at the hotel. Bye.
Bye, bruh.
I can't reach it.
I'm sorry, guys. So we're in the hotel room at Great Wolf Lodge. My great dad is with us, and we're.
Boing.
This is the hotel room, as you can see.
Okay.
We're gonna see you at the water park.
Boing, boing, boing. Right, knock it up there. Bro. Woo. Guys, see that? Oh, shoot. There's a camera. Oh, there he is. Hey, you did it.
Yeah.
Guys, this is going to be crazy.
Go.
Guys, everyone keeps saying, it's easy. Technically, it's not.
No, get out.
Look at my hair, guys.
Come on, get out. Nice. Stand up. Stand up.
What's up, guys? We just woke up.
Yeah, sorry that we didn't see anything at the last port yesterday,
Ow.
but today we are going to be.
I'm going to the airport again.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to see you when we get at the water park.
Look at my curly hair. So guys, we're going down the stairs to go to the pool. Holy. More stairs.
Guys, I'm going to disappear.
go, man.
Hey, Jay! Hey, Jay! Is that fun? Hey, Jay! Is that fun?
Hi, guys.
Oh, is that Papa?
That was so much fun, guys. I can't even explain it.
Squish, squish. Let me squish, squish.
It was so much fun. Aaron's gonna try it with us.
There they are. There they are. Eat this. Yep, there they are. Yep. What happened? What happened?
I had to hold on like this.
So guys, I am back at the house, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe, okay? I'm whispering because it's like early in the morning, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, see you